In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Google Doc using Google Drive and Google Docs. First, let's start by navigating to Google Drive and make sure you are logged into your account. Launch your web browser and visit the Google Drive homepage, entering your credentials if prompted. This is your gateway to managing all of your Google Docs. Once you're in Drive, locate the Google Doc you wish to move. A straightforward method is using the search bar at the top of the page by typing the document's name or related keywords. Click on the document and it will open in a new tab, making it ready for the next steps. Now that your Google Doc is open, look towards the top right corner of the window and click on the Share button. This opens a dialog box that allows you to specify who can access the document and what they can do with it. In the Share with People and Groups section, you'll need to type in the email address of the account to which you want to transfer the document ownership. Take a moment to ensure that the email address is correct, as this step is crucial for the successful transfer of ownership. Before proceeding, set the permissions for this new email address. Click the drop-down menu next to the email field, selecting the editor permission setting. This step ensures the new owner has all the necessary privileges to manage the document. After verifying the details and the permission settings, click on the Send button to add the new account as an editor for the document. This step sends an invitation to the person, enabling them to start interacting with the document right away. Now, with the invitation sent and accepted, revisit the Share settings by clicking the Share button again. This will allow you to proceed with transferring ownership. Look for the new editor's name on the list that appears and click the drop-down menu next to it. You will see an option labeled Transfer Ownership. Click this option to initiate the transfer. Before the ownership is officially transferred, you will need to confirm this action. Click on Send Invitation to finalize the transfer request. This action sends a notification to the designated new owner, enabling them to accept the ownership transfer. Once everything is complete, conclude the process by clicking on Done. This closes the Share Settings dialog box, and now the selected Google Doc has successfully changed hands with full ownership transferred to the designated new account. Congratulations on completing the document transfer process. With this knowledge, you can efficiently manage and delegate your documents within Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more tips and tutorials.